everybody, and welcome to Mod Podge with Kathy and Steve.
I'm Kathy Fillion.
And I'm Steve Piacenza, and today we're going to show you the 8 original formulas of Mod Podge.
Almost all Mod Podge formulas work the same way in that they're a glue, a sealer, and a finish. And we're going to walk you through the 8 original formulas.
Here's one of the first originals, and it's the gloss. And the gloss is a great finish. It gives it a nice shiny finish here, and it's great for any type of mixed media or decorative projects.
Another original formula is the matte formula, and the matte formula creates a non-shiny finish, and when the light hits it, you're not going to get that sparkle and glare. It's a smooth finish. I love this for mixed media projects.
The satin finish is really cool because it's in between the gloss and the matte. And as you can see, it's a nice subtle shine finish here, and it's actually really smooth to the touch.
Yeah, I love this finish. Now, of course, I am a sparkle girl.
It's true.
I like glitter on everything, so my favorite formula, well, I love the gloss formula. My favorite formula is the sparkle.
She loves the sparkle for sure.
This stuff is fantastic if you're doing home decor, small gifts, jewelry, fashion projects, and really fun for holiday projects when you just want to add an extra little sparkle to something. You can layer up several coats to create lots of sparkle, or just do one coat and get a little bit of sparkle.
What we have over here is the paper Mod Podge. Now this is paper to paper. There's the gloss and the matte. We have 2 examples. And what we have here is we did some decorative paper right on top of a card, and as you can see, there's the glossy, really kind of pops and shines through, and over here we have the matte, and it's much less of a shiny finish. Now this is great stuff because it is acid free and it's also archive quality.
My favorite is working with scrapbooks with this.
Yes.
Scrapbooking projects or mixed media, altered art. If you've got all those little bits of scraps and you want to create like some wall art with it, this is going to last a very long time.
And what's great about it also, it doesn't yellow.
No
any
yellowing.
Photographs or any pieces of paper that you put together. Love that.
Fantastic. A great formula if you're doing furniture or projects that are going to handled a lot. We've got a party tray here that's fashioned out of an old pizza tin. If you're doing jewelry boxes, tabletops, that kind of thing, you're going to want to learn about the hard coat formula. And this formula, I call it a fast favorite because once you start working with it, you are going to love it. This stuff is great for furniture. You're going to use a few different applications of it, but once you get all that down, it is going to dry very hard.
It's definitely the most durable of all Mod Podges.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Talk about durable, we also have the outdoor, which is also really durable, but of course the name says it all.
Outdoor.
Outdoor. We have a little sign that we've done for your door, and what's great about the outdoor Mod Podge is it kind of eliminates all the moisture and the elements that the outdoor gives you. So it's super durable, and it's great for like terracotta pots, any type of furniture you have outside. What we suggest is that once it's all finished and you're done with it, just to give it another sealer, outdoor spray, a spray finish, and you're good to go. Great stuff, love this.
One of my favorite formulas that I just learned about 3 years ago. It's fantastic fun.
Cool stuff.
It's the brushstroke formula, and that comes in matte and it comes in gloss, and that's going to create that sort of old world look like you've created an oil painting. This is really fun if you want to do a family photo, laser copy, and then come in and add the brushstrokes all over it. It's almost going to look like a photo painting.
It's fun. We've been experimenting with this stuff, and it's a really fun product to work with if you haven't used it.
Experimentation is the key to this.
True.
You can layer it up as much as you want, or you can do a thin coat just to add small texture. Really fun.
And there you have it. There is the 8 original formulas of Mod Podge.
Thanks for joining us on Mod Podge with Kathy and Steve, and tune in for more episodes where you're going to find lots of tips, tricks, and projects for working with Mod Podge.
Cool. We'll see you next time. Bring that over here. Let me see.
Pretty cool. I like to use this kind of brush.
Yeah.